AI will replace 80% of human jobs by 2030. Future X AI. What if I told you that by the year 2030, almost 80% of today's jobs could disappear? Not because of a war or a disaster, but because of something we created. Artificial intelligence. Welcome to Future X AI, where we explore how AI is changing everything, including your job. It all began with automation, machines replacing human hands. Then came computers replacing paper. And now, AI is replacing human intelligence itself. From writing articles, designing logos, to analyzing data, AI systems like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can do in seconds what humans take hours to finish. Experts predict that by 2030, millions of jobs will vanish. Sectors like data entry, customer service, translation, content writing, accounting, and even programming are at high risk of being replaced by AI models that are faster, cheaper, and always available. In short, if your job involves repetition or predictable tasks, AI is coming for it. But don't panic yet, not all hope is lost. The future will still need humans, just not in the same way. Jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and human connection are here to stay. Think of roles like AI engineers, data scientists, psychologists, creators, and entrepreneurs. The key is to adapt. Learn to work with AI, not against it. The question isn't, will AI take your job? The question is, will you evolve fast enough? By 2030, the world will be divided into two types of people: those who use AI and those who are used by AI. The choice is yours. This is Future X AI, your window into the future of artificial intelligence. Subscribe now, and let's build the future together.